How to use back tap feature on iPhone. The back tap feature on iPhone lets you perform quick actions like taking a screenshot, opening Control Center, launching an app, and many more. So here is how to do so. First of all, it works on iPhone 8 or later with iOS 14 and above. So all you have to do is open the Settings app on a mobile device. Once inside Settings, scroll down and tap on the Accessibility option available in there. Inside Accessibility, all you have to do is look for the Touch option available there and simply tap on the Touch. Now once you tap on the Touch, scroll down till the bottom and tap on the back tap. Now simply choose double tap or triple tap. I'm choosing the double tap. Inside double tap, select the action you want, for example, screenshot, lock screen, control center, magnifiers, shortcuts. Here I'm choosing the home. Now after setting it up, all you have to do is just double tap or triple tap the back of your iPhone around the Apple logo area. Once you do so, your chosen action will instantly run. And that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.